Welcome, France and Script Academy. Today we are talking about technical analysis. As I told you in the last video, today we're studying about technical analysis. We've been looking at how these types of analysis work and how do you apply each type of analysis. Today, in technical analysis, last time we studied about technical analysis, I think. So today I'm going to talk more about the what we call fundamental analysis. Okay, fundamental analysis. Today, this is what we're talking about. It's fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is where you go deep and study about what will happen behind the curtains. Some people don't know, but this fundamental analysis is very, very key. It is almost the backbone of trading. Okay, if you don't know this analysis, my friend, you're going to go wrong on orders. You'll either short a buy order. Okay, so should take care and look for this make this fundamental analysis such that it helps you know where the market bias is likely to be. What are the types of and what do you look for when doing fundamental analysis, my friends? Fundamental analysis is whereby you go to sites, you look for what the market is going to probably do. Okay, this is whereby you go and make analysis on each coin or each currency, assuming you're going to trade about US dollar. Okay, you're going to trade like Ethereum, Tether's Tether's perpetual contract. This is Ethereum versus USDT. You will just tap here, like assume you're going to make analysis about Ethereum. Okay, you're going to trade Ethereum. You will go and do analysis about that Ethereum we are talking about and see what is the possible cause of it to rise or to fall. Okay, you might be going to trade about the USD, like you're going to trade USD versus the JPY or gold. Okay, here you will just go and check. What are the possible influences that might cause the US dollar to rise or to fall, and what are those influences? You will go and check for labor. Okay, you will go and let me reduce this text size. I'm sorry, that one is too small. Let me put it to 20. You will go and look for these factors that will influence the market. There is labor. Okay, there is labor. There is what we call interest rates. They are interest rates. You will check for the currency index. You check for the currency index. You will again check for imports. You check for imports. You check for exports. Here you will again check for the GDP. You check for the GDP of that country. You will check for what we call the international relationships. Okay, you will check for international relations. You will check for geopolitical events. check for geopolitical events. You will check for the economic data. For economic data, you will check for the central banks. You will check for the central banks events. Central bank events. Okay, now you will go and check for all of these. Let me zoom in such that you can see this clearly. You will need to go and check for all of these. Okay, check for all of these and see labor. 1 point, labor. You'll just need to see why and how has the government been paying about the labor. Okay, how is being labor in the America or in that currency that you want to trade. Okay, you will see labor. You just check how it has been performing, and you have the interest rates. Okay, you have the interest rates. You will check for the interest rates. How has been the government working? How has been the US dollar? Okay, in the previous days. You will check the currency index. Assume you're going to trade USD versus the Japanese yen. You will check each currency index and see how is it been performing. And how are you going to check for these events? Okay, you'll come to your search engine and write what we call investing.com. You'll just go here in the tab in the search engine. You just go into your search engine and write investing.com. Mine has come. You can just search investing.com economic calendar. Okay, it will bring it. You see, investing.com economic calendar. You tap into economic calendar. It will open for you. Okay, now you see. This is what we call the economic calendar. Okay, this is the economic calendar. It will show you here. You can choose for yesterday. Do you want to see for yesterday? Do you want to see for today? Do you want to see for tomorrow? Or you want to see for this week? May I probably prefer this week. Okay, may I prefer for the full week, because I always want to see what has been happening before and what has happened, what will happen tomorrow. Okay, so here may I always choose this week. I want to see for the full week. Okay, here they will show you actual. Here there is actual, and there is forecast, there is previous. Okay, I hope you're seeing. Actual is what is exactly there, and forecast is what they predicted, and previous is what happened last time. Okay, so now you will see like this Monday, October 6th, for today, because I'm recording this on today, Monday 6th October. Okay, you will see all day. They will show you all day. It's a holiday, China national holiday, national day. Okay, you see, now you know that is they're talking about the Chinese yen, the Chinese currency. Okay, here you see INR, you see CHF, you see EUR star good star 2. These are the 2-star news. Okay, that is the euro. Don't say what is that. That's the euro. Then if you want to trade, like assume you have been going to check for the US dollar, now we will come here and say USD. At 10 there is USD 1-star news. You see that star is the impact, the volume of the impact, or the ratio of how the news will impact the the dollar. Okay, you see now there is CB employment trends index. Okay, you can see it there. You see again at 11:30 there will be 3-month bill auction. Okay, it is a one star news, or a one bull news. At 11:30 again there is 6-month bill auction, 1-star bill. You again go and check again for the US dollar and see. You see here that there is a 2-star. Don't undermine the 2-star bull news. Not this 2-star. It is something big. They might expect a 2-star and it becomes a 3-star. Okay, they might expect a 1-star, yet it's going to be something very big. It will impact a lot onto the financial market. Okay, so you just come here and see what is probably gonna happen onto that day before you trade, because you might go there assuming that you're going to do simple trading and you end up booked because because there is news that you didn't see. Okay, so you should always take care and look for every knowledge before entering trades. Okay, you should look for all the possible knowledge that can help you enter the market before anything wrong happens. So let me continue. In the next video we are going to study about what is sentimental analysis and how do you use it.